What if you could start a profitable summer business with just $100 and help the planet at the same time? No big investment, no fancy setup, just smart, eco-friendly ideas that actually work. Summer is the perfect season to start a side hustle. Demand is high, people are spending more, and eco-friendly products are trending like never before. In this video, I'll show you 10 eco-friendly summer business ideas you can start with $100 or less. Let's start with one of the easiest ideas, an eco-friendly lemonade or cold drink stand. You can sell lemonade, iced tea, sugarcane juice, or fruit-infused water. But the key difference is that you avoid plastic completely by using reusable glass jars, steel straws, or biodegradable cups. The startup cost is minimal since you only need ingredients, containers, and a simple signboard. On a hot day, people naturally look for something refreshing. So if you set up near a park, tuition center, or busy street, you can attract steady customers. Adding a small message like 100% plastic-free drinks can instantly make your stall more appealing. The next idea is plant and herb starter kits. Summer is perfect for growing herbs like mint, basil, and coriander. And many people want to try gardening but don't know where to begin. You can create small kits with seeds, soil, and recycled containers, making it both affordable and eco-friendly. Because the startup cost is low, your main focus should be on presentation and simplicity. If you give your product a name like Grow Your Own Kitchen Garden Kit, it becomes more attractive and easier to sell through WhatsApp or Instagram to beginners. Another great option is upcycled summer accessories. This involves taking old clothes or fabric scraps and turning them into useful items like tote bags, scrunchies, or headbands. It's a perfect choice if you enjoy creative work because your raw materials can cost almost nothing and every product is unique. People are increasingly interested in sustainable fashion. You can also try making homemade, natural popsicles. Instead of using artificial ingredients, you focus on real fruits like mango, watermelon, or orange to create a healthier and more refreshing product. The investment is small, since you only need basic molds and ingredients, but the demand is high during summer. If you package them using paper wraps or reusable options instead of plastic, it strengthens your eco-friendly image. Simple offers like combo deals can help you increase sales quickly. Another idea is after-sun aloe vera gel or simple skincare products. During summer, many people deal with sunburn and dry skin, so a cooling and soothing product can be very useful. You can create small batches using natural ingredients like aloe vera, coconut oil, or rose water, and package them in reusable containers. It's important to keep your claims simple and honest, focusing on refreshment and comfort rather than medical promises. An eco-friendly delivery service using a bicycle is another smart option. Many local shops and households need help with small deliveries, and offering a zero-emission solution can make you stand out. If you already have a bicycle, your startup cost is almost zero, and you can start by serving your immediate neighborhood. Over time, partnering with local businesses can give you consistent work and steady income. Handmade organic soaps are also a strong summer business idea. You can create soaps using ingredients like neem, mint, or aloe vera, which are especially appealing in hot weather. Starting with a melt and pour base makes the process simple, even for beginners. Packaging plays a big role here, so using paper instead of plastic and focusing on pleasant fragrances and clean design can make your products more attractive to buyers. A mini refill station is another simple but impactful idea. You can begin in your own neighborhood by offering refills for water, cleaning liquids, or household essentials. This helps people reduce plastic waste while also saving money. With just a few containers and some initial stock, you can start small and build trust within your community. Encouraging customers to bring their own containers can further strengthen your eco-friendly approach. Compost starter kits are perfect for eco-conscious customers. Many people want to reduce kitchen waste but don't know how to start composting. By providing a simple kit with materials and clear instructions, you make the process easy and accessible. Adding short demo videos or explanations can help people understand the value, which makes it easier to sell. Finally, thrifted summer clothing is a great opportunity. You can source secondhand clothes, clean and style them, and then resell them as affordable and sustainable fashion. Summer clothing is especially in demand because people prefer light and comfortable outfits. With good presentation and clear photos, you can create a strong online presence and attract buyers without spending much on marketing. No matter which idea you choose, success depends on how you execute it. You don't need a big budget to start a business. You just need one solid idea and the willingness to take action. Choose something that fits your skills, start small, and improve as you go.